Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use gender swap filter in CapCut. So if you are looking for how you can use gender swap filter in CapCut, you are at right place. So first you have to download an application from your Play Store or Apple Store. From the application you have to simply write gender swap app free and you will get this application face app. So you have to download this application first in order to use gender swap filter. So now I'm going to click on open. Second thing we are going to do, we are using this image to change the gender of this person from male to female. So I'm just going to select this image and then you have to go here and you will see this option gender. Simply click on it. Here you will see different type of female version, so I'm going to just use female 2. So just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the image is converted into female. Now click on apply and here you click on save. Here you will see this logo, but we will remove it in the CapCut. The second step we are going to do is we have to open CapCut. So I'm going to open this CapCut application. And then in the search bar here in template section you have to click on search template and here you have to write this option and this keyword gender swap filter. You will see different type of filters here, templates here. Select the one you want the video on. So I'm going to use this one. So as you can see, the image is converted into female. So I'm just going to click on use template and then I'm going to click on photos, and here this is the image of male and the second image is of female. So I'm just going to import it. Now click on preview. Here as you can see, the image is converted into female. So but we will at the end of the video you will see this watermark of face app. So I'm just going to remove it. Just first I have to click here and then click on edit and then click on crop. So now I'm just going to adjust it here by the hairs of this person at the top. Now click on confirm. Now click here and then again click on edit and click on crop. Again here I'm just going to zoom it and then here I will make this image little bit above, so the face app, the watermark will be removed, and now click on confirm. Now we have successfully changed the gender swap filter. Now click on export and then click on export without watermark, or simply you can use export if you want to if you have not any issue related to watermark. So I'm just going to click on export without watermark. It will take few seconds. So our video is saved on gallery, so I'm just going to click gallery here and here is this video is ready. You can also add music or anything if you want to use it on TikTok or on Instagram. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.